This is Robert Young with the Alkaline Tip of the Day, sponsored by InnerlightBlue.com. What you're looking at is the tunnel of light with various light frequencies and wavelengths ranging from approximately 418 nanometers clear up to the infrared light frequency, which is approximately 958 nanometers. These various nanometers can permeate the dermis, the epidermis, clear down to the interstitial fluids, the blood, even into the bone. Light therapy is being used currently in the medical community. You're probably familiar with babies with jaundice. Ultra blue light is used to reverse that condition. Also, another condition which is antibiotic resistant. It's called MRSA. It's a strep bacteria that cannot be killed or destroyed by chemicals, and has been found that ultra blue is effective in disintegrating or killing this particular microorganism. It's also effective against things like Candida albicans. So bacteria, yeast, and molds. Ultra blue has been found to be a non-invasive, non-chemical approach to various microorganisms that infect the body or are created through biological transformation from an acidic environment. In other words, germs are born in us and from us. And blue light can help prevent that particular phenomenon. Also, vitamin D. Can't always get it from the sun. You can actually generate it through ultra blue light. The other frequencies of light, such as ultraviolet, ultra green, yellow, the full spectrum light of white, all of these have special benefits which are non-invasive and non-chemical and can be effective if understood and used properly. Here again, there are no negative side effects using light therapy, and you don't have to do it very long. About 20 minutes a day. In fact, it's highly effective for the restoration of hair loss, or alopecia it's called. And what it does, it stimulates blood flow to the scalp and the differentiation of stem cells into new hair. So there's wonderful things that ultra blue light can bring you. If you want to learn more about all the various light frequencies and their wavelengths and the benefits that are derived from them, go to InnerlightBlue.com and learn more about the non-invasive, non-chemical benefits of various light frequencies. This is the way of the future, and the future is here. Check it out, InnerlightBlue.com. This is Dr. Robert Young with the Alkaline Tip of the Day.